So today we removed the ceiling and the snug. We started by cutting the floorboards into sections so that they were more manageable and easier to carry out. We then used a pry bar to detach the floorboards from the joists. Joe was doing this part, so he was taking up the floorboards and then he would pass them down to me and I would take them outside. So here we are doing this process. It was a bit dangerous at points because I kept getting distracted and then I wouldn't realise that Joe had put a plank down and I did nearly walk into it a couple of times. There was also so much dust going in my eyes, hence the really cool goggles I was wearing. But we carried on and got all the floorboards removed, and then Joe had the task of getting back down. I'm not sure this was entirely safe, but it's fine. He made it back down in one piece. And then it was time to start removing the joist. So I was using a rip saw to cut an angle, and then Joe was wiggling it out of the main beam and taking it outside. So the floor is remaining the same height in the snug, but we were doing this because the joists and the floorboards have gone really rotten. And I don't really fancy falling through the ceiling, to be honest. Had to get a video of me on the rip saw, of course, and I feel like my biceps are probably really big after this because it was really heavy. I mean, I did only do it for about 10 minutes. But anyway, here we are doing the other side. And then once we'd finished this, we had to do a massive tidy up because there was just dust everywhere. So now this has been done, we obviously need to now put new joists and new boards in, and then the next step is to choose a wood burner.